All right. Sarah, you said.
I'm not going to be concerned about Sarah until maybe we see what's going to happen over this weekend. We have 5-7 days before it would even venture off to the north, if it were to at all. So we're just going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enjoy the nice weather headed our way and then just kind of keep my eye on it. There is no way to know, even if computer models are agreeing now, that forecast is over a week away, over 7 days away. It will change. It will drastically change. Computer models will go back and forth. So I'm not going to get hung up on anything until we have more information. Nothing has formed yet. Just be patient. We'll see something form. And I'll show you a computer model in just a moment. Here's cold front number 1. We have 2 fronts headed our way. This one arriving tomorrow, not bringing really a lot of rain at all. We might see a few stray showers out of these fronts, but all in all, we're looking at very slim rain chances. They're just changing the air mass. So sometimes because that front is coming through, it can prompt some showers, but really the front's just bringing cooler or drier air, or both. In this case, both for the middle of the week and then again for the end of the week. Here's front number 1 tomorrow. Again, not bringing any rain, partly cloudy skies. It might get a little breezy at times, specifically on Wednesday as that cooler, drier air is trying to come on in. But we'll see the temperatures kind of return by Wednesday and into Thursday to closer to average. Meanwhile, tomorrow, Tuesday, is still very warm ahead of that front. On the end of the week, by the end of the week, on Friday, we'll have our second front head our way. Again, not really bringing any rain. You do see a lot of rain here associated with that front by Wednesday, but once that front gets a little bit closer to our region come Thursday, that rain just kind of disappears. That happens a lot to us here in Florida. We never really get the rain, but we hope that that front can make its way through our region enough, at least to bring the cool, dry air, and that looks to be the case by Saturday and Sunday. Cooler, drier, but really just closer to average. Temperatures for this time of year usually start off into the low 60s. That's where we are this weekend. So it's going to be a very pleasant, comfortable weekend with temperatures close to average. In the meantime, it's warm and still on the humid side for tomorrow ahead of that front. And this tropical weather has nothing to do with our weather for the next 7 days. If it were to be in our region, it really wouldn't be until the end of next week. That's 10 days away, even more than that. So we know things are going to change. That's why I'm not going to get too hung up on it just yet. This is the area that we're watching. If you missed it at the top of the show here, just want to tell you, yeah, we could have a tropical depression or a tropical storm, which is not unheard of this time of year in this part of the Atlantic Basin into the Caribbean. We could have easily a tropical depression here. Where it goes from there, again, likely, hopefully the most likely scenario is that it kind of stays here, it just kind of fades away. I'm going to show you this futurecast. This is just the GFS, so there's different computer models. We're going all the way through the weekend, and we stopped it on Sunday. It's already kind of weakened and stayed in the same spot. That's just one solution. The reason why it wouldn't be able to go off to the north is because high pressure is kind of here. By Sunday, we'll have a lot more information because, again, if this were to drift off to the north, there's cooler waters, there's more wind shear, it would be a weaker system. But again, that's over 7 days away. Lots is going to change. Don't be worried. Enjoy the nice weather. Until then, we'll just keep our eyes on it. It's something to annoyingly keep us up to date with hurricane season that it just won't go away. Temperatures will stay into the low 70s by first thing tomorrow morning, near 80 as early as 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. It will be near record highs again tomorrow, near 90 degrees. Not exactly what we expect this time of year. 71 for tomorrow morning, few upper 60s possible. 90 degrees by the afternoon. We'll have maybe a stray shower because there is a front coming on through. We can't rule it out completely, but for the most part, we're looking pretty dry. Once we head into the weekend, this is where the cool, dry air is really going to come on in. But really, it's just close to average. Saturday and Sunday, low 80s, and more importantly, low humidity. That's your first alert forecast.